Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change the default new folder name in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Right key Explorer, new key. Type naming templates. Right-click New String Value. Type Rename Name Template, R, N, and T are capital letters. Change value data to folder name. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.